Today I'm going to teach you how to create subcategories in Wix. This is incredibly useful when you want to organize your online store products more efficiently, making it easier for customers to navigate through different sections of your catalog. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find various options for managing your site. Click on Catalog, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, hover your cursor over Store Products. When you do this, you'll see additional options appear. From these additional options, go ahead and choose Categories. This is where you'll be able to manage all your product categories and their subcategories. Now that you're on the Store Categories page, here's where things get interesting. To add a subcategory, you won't be clicking the New Category button like you might expect. Instead, you need to look for an existing category, specifically the main category under which you want your subcategory to appear. Once you've located the main category you wish to use, look for the three-dot icon next to it and click on it. This will reveal several management options for that particular category. From the options listed in the menu, click on New Subcategory. This action will direct you to the subcategory creation page, where you can customize all the details for your new subcategory. You'll need to fill in the required fields, starting with the category name. Choose something descriptive that clearly indicates what products will be included. Next, add a header description that provides customers with more context about what they'll find in this subcategory. You also have the option to add a header image, which can make your subcategory more visually appealing and help it stand out. After setting up these details, you can start adding products to your subcategory. Once you've finished adding all the relevant products and configuring the settings, simply click on the Save button located on the top right part of the page. Once saved, you'll be redirected back to the Categories page. You'll notice something interesting about the visual layout. Your newly created subcategory will appear slightly indented or set back in its alignment compared to the main categories. This visual cue indicates that it's a subcategory nested under a parent category. There's also another method worth knowing. If you already have an existing category and want to convert it into a subcategory, you can simply drag and drop it under the main category you want it nested within. Just position it under the main category and drag it back slightly, and it will automatically become a subcategory. And there you have it. You've successfully created subcategories in Wix, giving your online store a more organized and professional structure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.